In this tutorial, you'll learn how to change a theme, which includes background color, picture, and text in Google Forms. Therefore, you'll know how to find the settings for changing the theme, how to select an image from their options or upload your own, then how to change the text or theme color. This makes Forms more interesting to view and take as a participant. Okay, so on Google Forms, I'm going to go to a worksheet that I made to show you how to change the background theme and color. So when we're on the actual Google form, all we do to change this image and background color is go up here to customize theme. And now it has an image already uploaded, and then I want to get rid of that and then choose an image. So the image I want to choose can either be one that they already have on the Google form system. For instance, I can scroll through and take a look at their images and decide if I want one of these. So let's say I want that one, and press select, and then it will change it to that image. And then for theme color, you pick the color that you want, and you can also add a custom color. So let's say I want the color to be bright red. So the background color, let's make that. There we go. So now the text will be in the dark red, and the background will be this pinkish color, and then this is the image. Now if I want to do a custom image, I go to choose image, upload image, and then I can drag and drop an image from my screen. So let's say I want to do this one, so drag it there. And now it will let me select the part that I want from this image. Let's say I just want the eagle's head. Select that. And that will be the image in the top. So we can change the theme color once again, which changes these top sections. Go here. And now I have it the way that I want it to be. So another thing about changing the theme, you can also change the font. So let's make it decorative. And now this is what the worksheet will look like. So now that I'm happy with it, I can stop there, and I've changed the theme to what I want it to be.